So the first step of safe isolation is always to ask for permission. So you need to find the recommended person and then ask them for permission to turn off the relative circuit. In this case, I have nobody to ask, but I'm going to be isolating this three-phase distribution board. So the first step for this is for me to locate where it is fed from. I know that it is fed from this isolator right here, so I can turn that off, and then I can take my padlock with a tag and a single key, and I can lock this off. This now means that nobody can re-energize this while I'm working. I take the key and I put it in my pocket or on my person at all times so that nobody else can take that key. Next thing I need to do is take an approved voltage indicator to GS38, and I'm going to check through the leads and just visually check it. And then the final check we need to do is check it actually works using either a known supply, so something that's live, or a proving unit like this here. So with a proving unit, you can just put one into each, and what you should see on the dial is up to or above 690 volts. So now that I've done that, I can remove my distribution board lid. And look at the incoming terminals for the supply. So if I follow this here, I can see that the incoming terminals for supply are these three line cables. So line 1 being brown, line 2 being black, and line 3 being grey. My incoming neutral and my incoming earth. So I'll now take my voltage indicator and go between all of these in a sequence that allows me to have done 10 tests. So I'll go L1 to L2, L1 to L3, L3 to L2, then I'll go L1 to neutral, L2 to neutral, L3 to neutral, then I'll go L1 to earth, L2 to earth, L3 to earth, and then earth to neutral. So I've now done 10 tests. So the last step I need to do is prove that this voltage indicator is still working, which I will do by putting it back in the voltage indicator. You then fill out your tag and say it's signed off by myself, dated as the date, and some tags say when you're going to be removing it.